Hey, what's up? I'm your boy, A.B. Quintanilla. This is my friend, Dr. G. All the Cumbia All-Stars. We just all got amazing treatment from Dr. G. You got neck pain, you got back pain, you got any kind of pain that has to do with chiropractic work. This man is a genius at what he does. Make sure you hit him up. He does accept cash. You do not need insurance. He accepts cash, so make sure you come and hit him up. Look up Dr. G. He's really amazing. Thank you.
Absolutely.
All my band.
Anytime,
We'll be playing tonight. And we'll be playing a lot better than what we were. So make sure you come by and see Dr. G. It feels
good?
good.
Okay.
No, it feels good. Oh, and I'm really sore in the back, honestly. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Not trying to be a baby, but
No, you're good.
yeah.
It was more on the right side though, huh?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Just solid steel roller, man. I don't know who invented it.
I feel like a
but-
big tortilla.
Right? Yeah, like I feel it right there. That's
Yeah.
where it was at.
Yeah, definitely.
Let's see. Put a little pressure.
Oh,
You can leave the hat. Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, man. That was it.
Shit, that was. Wow, that's crazy, man.
Cross
I think I did worse than I did the last time.
Oh, no, man. Oh, that was it, man.
That was it. Oh,
There
that
we
one
go.
too.
Pull that shoulder back and just let the hip relax right there. Good. Let's turn the other way. Bend that one there. Just relax. Relax the hip. Relax the ankle.
Oh, flop there too. Oh,
Okay.
I think I just grew.
All right.
Oh man,
Nice. This
nice.
hat, man. How do you
Nice.
feel?
I feel amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. Hola, ¿qué tal, amigos? Yo soy A.B. Quintanilla con mi gran amigo Dr. G. Aquí ando con mi grupo, los Cumbia All-Stars. Y todos venimos hoy porque teníamos problemas de espalda. Si ustedes tienen problemas y necesitan ayuda con un chiropractor, Dr. G es el mejor. Y lo bonito, raza, es que él no pide nada de seguridad. Si tú tienes efectivo, él acepta a todos los pacientes. Llaman al número donde él pone en la pantalla y ustedes pueden hacer una cita con él a cualquier momento. Te lo recomiendo de parte de un servidor, A.B. Quintanilla. A Dr. G es el mejor en lo que es el trabajo de chiropractor. Si tienen cualquier cosa que te duele la espalda, el cuello, lo que sea, Dr. G te puede ayudar.